Misu, come here. Sit. Good boy. Look at me. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet and I'm currently a first year medical student in the United States. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the BarkBox. I just bought a subscription for my lovely puppy, Misu. Misu, come on. Ow! Misu, come on. No more biting. No, ow! Misu. No, but Misu, hey, do you want this box? I actually bought him the subscription for Christmas, and this box came about a week ago, but I haven't had time to film it, and he also has a boatload of toys, so I didn't think it was that urgent to open it for him. Okay, let's just get right into it, because he really wants to open it. Okay, Misu. Ready? Sit. Ah, Misu, not my sweater. Sit. Do you want this? Ow, Misu. Here. Okay. So as you can see, Misu, come here. So as you can see, these are only like half the amount of toys that he has. So yeah, so he's gonna just get more toys every month. Misu, you're just the luckiest boy ever. Misu, come here. Come here. Okay. I know. Misu, you gotta sit. Misu, you gotta sit. Yes, good boy. Okay, I'll open it for you. Wait. Misu! Come on, wait. This is so hard to open with you attacking it. Ready? You ready for the toys, Misu? Misu, you gotta sit, or I'm not gonna give it to you. Misu, sit. Yes, good boy. Come here. Ready? What is that? Misu. I'm just gonna let him explore and take out the toys himself, because that's what Rachel Fusaro does, so I feel like that's a good way. Oh, you found a toy. Okay, so that's one toy, Misu. Come here. Which one is this one? Let's see. Wait, Misu, let's see. Misu, what's in here? It's the... Okay, actually, yeah, you could just fine, you should take it right now. Misu, there's more! He's like, nope. I'm happy right here. So Misu snagged one of the toys, and he doesn't really want to explore the rest of the box. Misu, come here, there's more. I know there's, oh, interesting. So he actually has one or two BarkBox toys that my friend actually got him from the store. And he loves them, so that's why I was looking into getting him a subscription. And also, I feel like I was more excited to get it than he was, because, I don't know, I get really excited when he gets excited for toys, and it's not my clothes. Right, Misu? Misu, what's in here? Look, there's more. There's more. Misu. Okay, I think this is the December box, which makes sense. Just gonna let him go after it. Okay, so I got 2 toys and 2 bags of treats. Ooh, we got a little fluff. And a chew thing, which I'm really excited for. Okay, so this one... Misu, hold on. Misu, give me 1 second, please. Misu! Okay, I'm just gonna let him. How come this isn't auto-focusing? Okay. Okay, so I just want to say unboxings are very, very hard, and it's extra hard when I have a puppy that is very curious about everything. Misu, please. Why is this not focusing, Misu? Misu. Okay, it seems that I'm having trouble autofocusing, but yeah, this is one of the toys that he got. Where'd you put your other toy? And then he has another one somewhere. Oh, it's right there. And this is the other toy that he got. Misu, sit. Good boy, Misu. This is the other toy that he got. I don't know what that is, but okay, you can have it because you sat. Misu, did you fart? Smells. Franklin's famous lamb chops. Okay, okay. I don't know why it's not focusing. Don't really know why it's not autofocusing. Maybe it just doesn't. Why is this not? So he's just attacking everything at this point. But this is, oh my god, Misu. Okay, so this was a good duck chuck. So it's a duck thing. Okay. You know what, I think I have to record this after to show you what everything that I got, because this is just, yeah. So this is the first bag of treats that I wanted to show you. It's the Good Duck Chuck. I know, Misu. I know you want all of them. And then this is the second one, which is the Franklin's famous lamb chops. And then he also got a chew toy, or a chew stick, that he already poked toys. He also got a chew. Misu, stop it. He also got a chew thing that, he also got a chew, which he already poked holes in so he can smell it. But it's, I don't know why it's not, ow, Misu, please. Okay, it's finally autofocus, please. It is the peanut butter and carob stick. I don't know what that means, but, okay, it's not autofocusing again. Okay, you know what? That's the best we're gonna get. And so I think I will probably give this to him. Ow! Baby, you're scratching me. Ow. Okay, and then what else did you get? You got this. Oh, come on. Okay, and then he also got, ow, Misu, please. Okay, so he also got this Snoopy toy, as I showed before, but I just want to show again. Misu, do you want it? You want it? You gotta sit. He's not this crazy, but I feel like whenever I turn on the camera, he gets like extra crazy. Misu, sit. Paw. No. Be nice. Paw. Sit. Good boy here. Okay. I'll put that. And then he also got this little cute little guy. I don't know who it is. Misu, play with one toy at a time, please. And yeah, this also has like a little crinkle, and he will probably love that. So I'm gonna take this. Oh, it's Woodstock. Okay, Misu, if you sit, ah, Misu, why are you being, ow! This was incredibly hard to film with a puppy. Sit. Misu, do you want this? Oh, it squeaks too. Sit. Look at me. Good boy here. So this was the Peanuts BarkBox holiday one, and this was very hard to film. I think I'm just bad at unboxings, but I also think it's just very hard to film with Misu because he acts crazy in front of the, ow, because he acts crazy in front of the camera, and I promise he's not always like this. He is actually he's a very good boy usually. He's a very good boy. Okay, do you want the box? Do you want the box, Misu? Ready? Go get it. Misu. Misu, Misu. Come here, Misu. So I decided to give Misu a part of the chew that I got. Misu, sit. So I wanted to use this opportunity to actually show you all the tricks that he knows. But I don't know, he's kind of, let's see if he'll do them. Misu, sit. Look at me. Sit. Down. Yes, good boy. Sit. Paw. Good boy, Misu. Sit. Stand. Ow. Misu, you're gonna be a good boy? Misu, look at me. No, I'm not gonna give it to you until you sit. Stay. Yes, good boy, come here. Okay, sit. Oh, now you want to be calm. So I'll probably actually only give half of this as well. I'll probably take it away once he's done chewing half of it. What are you doing? Yeah, that's yours. That's yours, Misu. Misu, what are you doing? Misu, are you happy? You happy, baby? So I don't know what he's doing. He's not actually chewing. He's just kind of playing around with it. Misu, what are you doing? Confused, Misu. Do you want it or no? Where'd it go? Misu. Misu, baby. You like it? Misu, come here. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I promise I will get better at filming with this new camera because I feel like I don't know how to work it with the tripod, or I don't even know. I'm just... Misu, say bye. Misu, say bye. Ah! Ah! Say bye, Misu. Bye-bye.